What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that pays real money instantly. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please direct your attention at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, I have other channels, and I want you guys to go there, check them out, and subscribe. So I have one channel called Random Reg TV, another channel called Random Reg Vlogs, and my other money making channel called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. And I have a health channel, it's called Random Health Tips. I really appreciate you guys if you go check it out and subscribe. Definitely subscribe to Random Reg TV, because once I reach 2,000 subscribers there, I'm giving away free money on that channel also. Now, these 3 apps, guys, are some of the best apps right now that you can start and download and make some good money. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go to the first app so you can learn how to make this real money. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is Mobiy. So it says here, earn rewards while shopping, fast, fun, flexible, answer questions while you shop at your favorite stores with the Mobiy Secret Shopper app. And this is available on Google Play and the Apple Store. So you can download the apps at either one of those stores. And here are the 4 simple steps to earn rewards. So you download the app, find a mission near you, complete the mission, redeem rewards. So step 1, like I said, you're going to download the app, and you can do it on Android or iOS. And you're going to find a mission in your area. So on the app, it's going to show all the missions that's in your area, like you see here. And what you're going to do is you're going to be a secret shopper there, and you're going to go in there and complete the mission. So when you complete the mission, you're going to answer some survey questions, or you're going to be taking pictures inside the store. So that's what the mission is. And once you complete the mission, you're going to accumulate some points, and you're going to go ahead and redeem those points, and you're going to get paid within 48 hours, guys. So the turnaround is real quick. You don't have to wait for a week or 2. Now, as you can see over here, you can get an Amazon gift card for $25. And all you have to do is accumulate 2,500 points and get if you like coffee, you can get a coffee shop gift card for $25 with 2,500 points. Or you can go, if you like pizza, you go to Domino's and for $25, all you need is 2,500 points for that. So they got a variety of ways that you can redeem your rewards with different gift cards. So, but if you don't want to do that, you can just get some money. Now, I'm not going to talk too much else about this app because it's just straightforward. I just told you everything about it, and I don't want to make this video too long. So let me go ahead and go to the next app. But to go ahead and download this app and get started, go to mobiyapp.com. So let me go to the next one. All right, I'm at the next app, and the name of this is Connect. Now, this is a very unique app, guys. It's a different kind of way to save some money and make some money. So save energy and get paid. So our free service helps you use energy when it's cleanest and rewards you for saving when it's dirty. So as you can see over here, this is how much money you can earn when you save energy. So thermostat, you can save energy and you can get $230. Refrigerator, $112. Patio lights, $90. Air filter, $35. Now, this is not the actual amount you're going to get. This is just an example because it all depends on how much energy you use, and that depends on how much money you get. So, all you got to do is put in your zip code right here to get started. And let's go to learn a little bit more. Let's go to make money. So make money with Connect. So need some help paying bills or maybe to trim down your monthly expenses. If you dreamed of finding a legit way to earn passive income and make money online, you come to the right place. With Connect, you can get paid to save energy, good for your planet, and good for your wallet. Here's where we show you how it's done. So coming up, make money with Connect points. The key to fast cash is understanding the energy forecast. Make money tip number 1, streaks. How you can earn passive income doing hours. Make money tip 2, earn extra cash for deep energy reductions. Win big with prize with hours. Winning tokens, yet another way to get rewarded, and all money making tips at a glance. So make money with Connect points. And check this out, guys. So whenever you beat your energy forecast, so you have to beat whatever the forecast is, you have to beat it. If you beat it, you'll be able to earn some points. So when you earn points, so it's like it says right here, not sure what an hour is, start here. So they'll tell you once you download the app, and all points are worth money. So all the points are worth money. So each point is worth 1 cent. Say, for example, if you get 8,801 points, that's equal to $88, guys. So once you earn at least 1,000 points, you can get one of the following: cash out on PayPal, cash out as an Amazon or Target gift card, cash out as Connect store credit, send points to other Connect users, donate your points to charity. Guys, this is something else. This is very unique. And here's an example right here of how it works. And once you accumulate enough points, you get your cash. You can cash out right here. And here's some other tips and everything. They go in more detail about things. I'm not going to talk about that. Again, I want to hurry up and finish this video. So I want to go ahead and get started with this unique money-making app go to onconnect.com. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app. It's Cash Crate. So earn extra cash. Find vetted opportunities to make money online. So here's the opportunity category. So you got paid surveys. So get paid for your opinion with a list of rated and vetted paid survey providers for the cashcrate.com team. Got the side hustles. Side hustles are a great way to earn extra income without taking a part-time job. You got rewards. So rewards program allow you to get paid to do a variety of things, including engaging with advertisers, getting paid to try new products, watch videos, and more. And then shopping. Online shopping rewards program allow you to avoid paying full price by offering instant discounts, rebates, and coupon codes that help you get the best possible deal. So guys, this app right here, which is available on Google Play Store, they have a lot of ways you can make money on here. So this will be a good app, guys, to check out. So if you want to go ahead and try this out, go to cashcrate.com. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these three apps. And don't forget to type that code word that pop up somewhere in this video. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving, and please be safe. And guys, let's get to 5,000 subscribers. We have 3 or 4 more days left until the end of this month. So let's get to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Share this everywhere. Like that button up. Like that button up. And let's get there, guys. We are the latest YouTube channel on YouTube. So since we are, let's act like it. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day. Get your grind